Welcome to CodeChef. Today, we are going to learn how to insert values into a binary search tree, or BST. A binary search tree, or BST, is a structure where each node follows a simple rule. Smaller values go to the left, and larger values go to the right. This property helps in efficient searching and insertion. We will insert the following values into an empty BST: 8, 3, 10, 1, 6, and 14. The insertion logic is implemented on the right. The tree is empty, so we set 8 as the root node. In code, this is handled by checking if the root is null and creating a new node. Now, we insert 3. Since 3 is smaller than 8, we move left and place it there. The code checks this condition and creates a new left child. Next, we insert 10. It is greater than 8. So we move right and place it as the right child. The code follows the same logic, creating a right child node. Now, we insert 1. It's smaller than 8, so we move left. It's also smaller than 3, so we move left again and place it there. The loop in the code ensures we keep moving in the correct direction until we find an empty spot. Next, we insert 6. It is smaller than 8, so we go left. But it's greater than 3, so we go right and place it there. Finally, we insert 14. It is greater than 8, so we move right. It's also greater than 10, so we move right again and place it there. And there we have it. Our binary search tree is complete. The code follows a simple logic. Traverse left or right until we find an empty spot, then insert the new value. Understanding BST insertion is essential for efficient searching and sorting. Keep practicing and happy coding. See you next time.